Hey there, welcome back. Today, I want to let you in on a little secret. Facebook groups are one of the most underrated tools for building your email list. Seriously, if you're not using them yet, you're missing out. Before we jump in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're hungry for more actionable marketing tips. Ready? Let's dive in. So, why Facebook groups? They're not just for fans of obscure TV shows or your neighbor's yard sale. They're powerful communities where trust and engagement naturally grow, two absolute must-haves if you want people to join your email list. Here's how I make the most of Facebook groups to boost my list, and how you can too. Step 1. Build your own Facebook group. Pick a niche that matches your business: fitness, fashion, e-commerce, you name it. Make sure your group's focus aligns with your brand and attracts the audience you actually want. Write a group description that really sells the value. Let folks know up front. Being a member means access to exclusive content and special offers. Next up, step 2, post valuable content. Don't just drop links and hope for the best. Share tips, guides, and insights that actually solve your members' problems. The more value you give, the more likely they'll want to stay connected. And here's the kicker: offer a freebie in exchange for their email. It could be a downloadable resource, a checklist, or something exclusive just for them. Make it high value and super relevant. Moving on, step 3, boost engagement. Ask questions, run polls, start discussions, and always reply to comments. When you create a real sense of community, people start to trust you, and that's when they'll hand over their email without hesitation. Step 4, pin your email sign-up link at the top of the group. Make it effortless for members to find and sign up. Spell out the benefits clearly: exclusive offers, extra content, whatever makes your list irresistible. Step 5, run giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Make entering the giveaway as simple as signing up with their email. Pick a prize that fits your audience, like a popular product or a free service. Giveaways bring buzz and can quickly grow your list if you get the word out. Step 6, promote your group with Facebook ads. Once your group is up and running, use targeted ads to reach even more people who care about your niche. Facebook's targeting is next level, so you can find your ideal audience and bring them straight to your group and eventually, your email list. And finally, step 7, follow up consistently. Don't let people forget about you. After they sign up, send a welcome email, share more valuable content, and keep those offers coming. Make every email count, tailored to what they care about most. And that's it. 7 simple steps to grow your email list using Facebook groups. Remember, it all comes down to offering value, getting people engaged, and always following up. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on building a successful business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy growing and happy emailing.